So, Leonardo da Vinci, is the Mona Lisa finally finished? Or are you still working on the eyebrows?
No, just a little mistake. Wait, no, it's spreading. No, honey, it's not a nose anymore. It's a charcoal grill.
Okay, Leonardo, who is this supposed to be? Wait, is this... Is that me? It's okay, Macaw. We learn from our mistakes. Honestly,
It's a beautiful painting. Are you being serious, or are you just making fun of my abstract phase? Maybe a little bit of both.
trust me, Macaw. This isn't a mess. It's a hidden dragon. You can still make this the most beautiful painting in the jungle.
Sachi? You really think I can do it? Sachi!
Show me your magic.
My mistake. Just needed some wings.
Wow, Macaw, you've done it! This is absolutely incredible! It's a masterpiece!
I told you, Luna, in the hands of a genius there are no mistakes. Only surprises!